2023 Mercedes-Benz C-Class. With less than 15,000 miles on the odometer, this sedan combines safety and comfort with style and performance. It brings drivers and passengers many levels of convenience with its side view mirrors with turn signals, Wi-Fi hotspot, multi-zone air conditioning, blind spot monitor, heated side view mirrors, moonroof, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, memory seat, power driver seat, power passenger seat, pass-through rear seat, rain sensing wipers, Bluetooth, brake assist. Get pre-approved now and make this your next vehicle.